Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am Anjum Shafiq, your biology teacher for grade 11, and today I am going to discuss the most interesting topic of this chapter, that is digestion in human beings. So let's move to the light board. So dear students, digestion in humans, the most interesting topic of this chapter. और इंशाल्लाह आप इंजॉय करेंगे इस टॉपिक को. As far as board point of view, also from anti-test point of view, the most important topic from this chapter, digestion in human. तो dear students, याद रखिएगा पहली बात, सबसे मेन चीज, that in humans the digestive system consists of a long tube So we have got tubular type of digestive system. Clear? Like in the previous lecture, we have studied in cockroach के अंदर भी ट्यूबुलर टाइप है, उनके अंदर भी ट्यूब थी. लेकिन आपको पता है कि अल्लाह ताला ने जितनी भी मखलूक़ात बनाई, all of his creations, the best creation is humans. सबसे जो बेस्ट अल्लाह ताला की जो क्रिएशन है वो इंसान है. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये कैसे पॉसिबल है कि सबसे बेस्ट क्रिएशन हो और उसमें जो सिस्टम अल्लाह ताला ने रखे हैं वो नॉर्मल हो. So we have got the most efficient type of digestive system. Clear? So first of all, I'm going to divide the digestive system into its components. Clear? So we have got organs. Of digestive system. So there are two types of organs present in the human digestive system. Number one, the primary organs, and the second one are the accessory organs. वो मैं बाद में डिस्कस करता हूँ, पहले इसको कंप्लीट भी यहाँ पे करूँगा. So first of all, I'm going to discuss the primary organs of digestion. So the primary organs of digestion consists of it starts from the oral cavity. Oral cavity, or which we call as the buccal cavity, or simply which we say the mouth. Clear? Then the next organ is a muscular tube, pharynx, which is a common pathway for food as well as windpipe. Now, after pharynx, there is a long tube which is called as esophagus. The esophagus ends with a muscular bag which is called as stomach. And after stomach, there is small intestine. Now, my dear students, the small intestine is further divided into three parts. It consists of further three parts. The first part is duodenum. The second part is jejunum. And the third part of small intestine is ileum. Duodenum approximately 10 inches in length. Jejunum approximately 2.4 meters in length, and ileum approximately 3.5 meters in length. Clear? So these are the readings which we found in our book. And after small intestine, there comes the large intestine. Like small intestine, the large intestine is also divided into some parts. The first part is cecum, to which there is attached appendix, after cecum there is colon, and at the end of the colon there is rectum. Clear? Now the colon is further divided into few parts. First of all, ascending colon, then there is transverse colon, then there is descending colon, and then there is sigmoid colon, and after that there is rectum, and finally anus. So these are the primary organs of digestion. Now, dear students, the second part is the accessory organs. Of digestion. So, dear students, accessory means helping. Accessory organs, जैसे आप मोबाइल फ़ोन ख़रीदते हैं तो मोबाइल फ़ोन के साथ accessories होती हैं, like hands free, like Bluetooth, like मोबाइल चार्जर, तो उनके बगैर भी चल जाता है मोबाइल, तो उनके बगैर भी चल जाएगा, लेकिन अगर वो साथ में होंगे तो कुछ परफॉर्मेंस में बेहतरी आती है। इसी तरह से प्राइमरी ऑर्गन्स वो हैं जिनके बगैर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम एफिशिएंटली वर्क नहीं करता, मतलब ये इनके बगैर डाइजेशन मुकम्मल नहीं होती। और एसेसरी ऑर्गन्स क्या करते हैं, उनको हेल्प करते हैं डाइजेशन में टू द प्राइमरी ऑर्गन्स। क्लियर? तो एसेसरी ऑर्गन्स में डियर स्टूडेंट्स वी हैव गॉट नंबर 1 we have got three pairs of salivary glands. They are 3 pairs. Clear? 3 pairs हैं। आगे चलकर डिटेल में डिस्कस भी करूंगा, अभी सिर्फ उनके नाम बता देता हूं। सबलिंगुअल, then there is submandibular, which is also called as submaxillary, and the third pair is parotids. Clear? So their function will be discussed immediately in the first lecture after this. Then there is liver. Liver has got gallbladder, which secretes the bile. Inshallah, we'll discuss later. Then there is pancreas, which also secretes a juice, the pancreatic juice. It's exocrine portion. It's a dual organ. So these are the organs which have accessory role in digestion. Clear? Now I'm going to draw its diagram and then we'll proceed further. So this is the hard palate and soft palate. Above is the nasal cavity and below is the oral cavity. Clear? And now pharynx, the muscular tube. And here is epiglottis, a small opening. Inshallah, we will also discuss in the chapter number 13, the gaseous exchange. And here is the larynx, then trachea, the windpipe, and from here is a long muscle tube, which we call as esophagus. Then esophagus ends, and here starts a muscular bag, a J-shaped muscular bag. The stomach, here is the large intestine. Dear students, you also need to draw this, the digestive system of human beings. So this is, I'm going to just, in order to differentiate between the large and small intestine, I'm coloring the small intestine. So here it ends. From here it starts. It's very easy to draw. आप मेरे साथ साथ इसको draw करेंगे. If you have chosen this medical field, you have to draw this. Now I'm going to label it. So dear students, so this is the nasal cavity, and here it is pharynx. And this is muscular tongue, teeth. This is the hard palate. And this one is epiglottis. And there is narrow opening at the base of this pharynx. This is called as glottis. तो glottis के ऊपर एक elastic cartilage से बना हुआ flap, that is epiglottis. And this one is larynx, the voice box. And here it is a small portion of trachea or windpipe. And here starts the digestive system. This is esophagus. And this one is the stomach. Esophagus, also called as the food pipe. And trachea, it is called as windpipe. Larynx is called as the voice box. Clear? Now, here starts the small intestine. So this is duodenum, and here is jejunum, and here is ileum. So these are the three parts of small intestine. This one is the appendix. Here is cecum, and this one is ascending colon, and this one is the transverse colon, this one is descending colon, this one is sigmoid colon, and this is rectum and anus. So here is the basic plan of the digestive system of human beings. And one more thing, dear friends, you should have to remember that there are three sites of digestion in humans. Digestive system इस पूरे ट्यूब में starting from the mouth up to the anus 3 sites हैं जहाँ पर digestion होगी और वो 3 sites कौन सी हैं students? First of all, mouth means the oral cavity. यहाँ पर there is a partial digestion of the starch. Then there is stomach. Here is the partial digestion of proteins. And finally, the small intestine. Up to the jejunum. Clear? यहाँ पर ये 3 points हैं जहाँ पर digestion होती है. Important MCQ है regarding anti-test as well as board MCQs. Clear? तो 3 sides कौन सी? Mouth, stomach and small intestine. अब यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा मैं elaborate करता चलूँ. Sphincters के बारे से भी कहाँ पर मौजूद हैं sphincters? The first sphincters lies over here. This is upper esophageal sphincter. Then here comes the second one. This is lower esophageal sphincter. Or also called as cardiac sphincter. Clear? Then here is another sphincter at the end of the stomach. This is the pyloric sphincter. Clear? And another sphincter is over there at the start of cecum and at the end of ileum. This is ileocolic sphincter. And 2 more sphincters present in the anus. The internal anal sphincter and the external anal sphincter. And also, dear friends, over here in the duodenum from the pancreas, there lies another sphincter So this is pancreas, pancreatic duct, and यहाँ पर ऊपर liver और liver से आ रही है. So over here another sphincter is there. I'm just locating it. मैं just locate कर रहा हूँ. This is called as sphincter of Oddi. Clear? So how many sphincters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So there are 7 sphincters along the length of the human digestive tract. Dear students, याद रखने स्फिंक्टर क्या चीज़ होती है? इट इज़ अ रिंग ऑफ मसल्स जो कि किसी भी ओपनिंग को कंट्रोल कर रहा होता है. आम हालात में ड्यूरिंग नॉर्मल और रिलैक्स कंडीशन में देयर इज नो मोर फंक्शंस, तो तब ये स्फिंक्टर्स जो होते हैं ये क्लोज रहते हैं. जैसे ही फूड वहाँ से पास कर रहा होता है तो तब ये स्फिंक्टर्स जो होते हैं वो एक रिफ्लेक्स के ज़रिए ओपन होते हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, होपफुली आज का लेक्चर भी आपको क्लैरिफाई हो गया होगा. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में और डिस्कस करेंगे डाइजेशन इन ओरल कैविटी. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.